Good morning, good morning. Uh, Today my vlog is gonna be a little bit about everything. So I just brought y'all with me to do my 2-mile walk. Just a little glimpse of a little glimpse. Okay, not too much. And then I'm gonna take y'all to my volleyball game. I got a volleyball game at 9:30. It is 8:03 now. I got about a little less than half a mile to walk. And yeah, this is what it is. This is today. And come with me, y'all. Hopefully we win the game. I'll probably see y'all at the game, okay? Maybe letting my girls warm up. Maybe let them say a thing or two to the camera. I don't know yet. But doing my mile walk, taking y'all to the game with me. And then I see where the girlies be, I gotta feel something, I don't like it, where the girls be dyeing their eyebrows. I'm gonna do that too. So like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and y'all all join in. Let's get whatever. Good job. Okay, y'all, so I did make it to the game. However, we was pushing for time. The game started at 10. I made it at 10:02. And then I forgot to freaking record, okay? We did win 25 to like 19 the first game, and then it was 25 to I think 14 the second game. Yeah, this is game 2, so we 2 for 2. We're winning, we're undefeated, you know. The 2 minutes I was late, we was down 6-0. I had to get in there and like turn them up a little bit with my little chants and my energy and my good vibes and spirits, and came back. Got the game, won that game, and won game 2. Let's get it. It's never over. You gotta fight to the end. I don't care if the score is 23-2. Baby, you still got time to fight. Let's do it. Let's talk about it. Tell a friend and tell a friend. We all join in. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I need to get to 500 subscribers, and I ain't stopping until I do that. October 5th. October grind, because October is mine. And yeah, let's do it. So we are on our way back to the crib, and we are going to take the kids somewhere fun later. I will get a little video of that. See you when I see you. Hey family, this is just a glimpse of my dad's view. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. And then we sometimes walk out there. You can sit closer to the water. Not right there, but like on that side down there. It's nice. Alright gang, we're headed to the house. And this is my daughter convincing me that she can braid with 4 pieces of hair. Oh, you busy.
I can't do it.
It's what a ride.
Mom, that was by somebody else.
Hit a ride.
Mom, that was by somebody else.
The main one saying that it's not my package.
And me.
Yeah, it's helping me unpack it. So nothing major, you guys. Just had to replace my ring light for the 3rd time.
Mom, can I do it now?
This one don't do that because it's not paper. You just gotta open it. Okay, we got these. What is this? Okay, what else in there? We got the stand.
I got it.
Don't drop it, please. We got the ring or the light. Come on, ain't nothing else?
Yeah. Oh.
And we got maybe all the nicks and necks, petty wax. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna just put it together and then show y'all. Okay, so here it is, set up pretty tall. Yes, I still got on my coach clothes. Do not talk about me. But got the power button. We got, what we got, y'all? It ain't, huh? Okay, yeah, so I don't know. He had to just warm up or something. The same button, power off. See, okay, power on. Maybe it's like I'm touching it in the wrong spot. But you can up it, you can dim it, you can switch blue, orange, and that's it, y'all. Nothing spectacular, because I didn't have this thing. This is my third time. This is my third one. My last one was a bigger circle, but I got one, so you can see from the back how tall it is, because here I am, and it's probably coming like right at me. And I can let it up a little more. So I believe it get up to 72 inches, which is definitely taller than 5 feet. So yeah, it's just delicate, I think. Staying skinny. Yeah, so. All right. And I forgot to mention it come with this little remote for connect Android, iOS. I believe it's Bluetooth. But yeah, connect it. Take pictures. That way when you got your phone up there, you just snap, and it's gonna post for the camera. Click, click, click. And yeah. Whoa, why it look so big? For when my shirt is big, and then my jeans are made like cargo oversized, and you don't wear two bigs on each other. It was Coach Day, so as long as we won, and we did, we undefeated. I feel good. Woke up this morning and let me record on my thing. So like, comment, subscribe. Y'all tell a friend, and y'all all join in. It's October grind, because October mine, and we're gonna continue to do it. Let's get it.